I missed summer, like literally missed summer, I wanted to create a summer makeup look. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. Hey guys, most of us are missing summer, and I personally never went through summer because it was the entire quarantine period. And summer here is a huge thing in the Philippines because we have a lot of very nice beaches, and if you miss going to the beach on a summer or any year, it's like, oh, what a waste of a very, very beautiful country. done with my makeup and I want to try this double eyelid tape. Place it super close to my lash line, so I don't know if that's correct, but we'll see. So the trick is that you put the middle on your lid first so that you're in the right equal length on both sides. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I like the look because it made me feel so summery. And I think that with the lack of so much sun these days, even when I go out, I think I don't really get enough of the sunlight that I would once a week. You know, I think this looks really bronzy and this looks like I'm in a blaze. So I think it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. And if you have other suggestions, requests for makeup tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. So I tried to bring my hair down and it feels really sultry. So there's a huge difference. I think that I will, of course, lose the waves in a few minutes, but this feels really nice. When you tie your hair in buns and different portions, it looks like this after a while. This is the 2020 missing summer look. So if you enjoyed it as much as I did, please leave a message in the comment section below. I hope that I see you again in my next film. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again soon. Bye!